Senate Democrats say they have a health care deal and the public option isn't part of it. Lizzy OLeary joins us now from Washington, D.C. with the very latest. Lizzie.
Yeah, Deirdre, this broke late last night. Democrats have been trying to break an impasse over this public option. 10 senators negotiating behind closed doors finally did that last night. According to a person familiar with the plan, here's what's in it. So no outright public option. That would be gone. There would be coverage that would be expanded through the government negotiating with private insurance companies. And then you'd see a lowered Medicare eligibility age down to 55. Now, the public option could come back if those affordability goals aren't met, but it's sort of kept in reserve. Now, insurers certainly stand to gain here because, remember, the Senate bill mandates individual coverage. They got to get it from somewhere. Now, Senate Majority Leader Reid was short on details, long on emphasizing consensus last night.
And many have assumed that people of different perspectives can't come together. But I think that what we were able to work out the last few days, which culminated tonight, belays that fact. We have a broad agreement.
Oh. He's got to send this over to the Congressional Budget Office for a cost estimate. They've got to do that. We heard from the White House. They were saying senators are making great progress. They're pleased that they're working together to find common ground. But there's a lot less than common ground on the House side. They've got to negotiate with the House. And what they're trying to do here is gain momentum. The bill has been on the floor in the Senate for 9 days, and they haven't seen a lot of that yet, Deirdre.
Lizzie, what happens next? I mean, give us a sense of a timeline.
Well, the timeline is very sped up because we're simply running out of time. Leadership aides tell us that it looks like they're going to have a lot of weekend sessions. I was on the Hill yesterday, and I can tell you that's the talk here is simply how do they fit all this in by the end of the year? They're running up against really just a few number of days left on the calendar, so that's what they have to do. We may be looking at a number of weekend sessions. This deal is meant to short-circuit that and try to move things along a little faster, Deirdre.
Lizzie, thanks so much. Lizzy OLeary reporting there from D.C.